Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to publish specific article in LinkedIn profile. It's very simple tips and tricks. So now let's start as a laptop screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply this is my LinkedIn profile, and now how to publish article very easiest way I will show you. Just simply tap on home and look at this here, write an article. If you click here, before start the writing article, you have already in title. So I just demo point of view, I use my medium blog title. So here I put it here in the title, and sometimes we need to put it here the one image recommended uploading the drag and drop image. So such kind of image you can put it there, but you can create your own design image also. Introducing Microsoft, so they are just introducing couple of days ago Microsoft. So here is a title. Accordingly here the Microsoft designer are design specially image or wallpaper, you can say. So here preparing, so look at this here. So accordingly you can choose one of this image and put it in your blog. So I just simply use this one, downloading your image, and image is automatically update here. So and then after you can put it here your article. So I just copy as a demo point of view, so I put it here the article. Otherwise I can copy entire article like this for the small amount of video conversation. That's why I'm just copy my personal article. But if you want update or publish article, so you can write and then accordingly put it the article. So look at this, this is the article, and the article are look like same as medium blog publishing. So this is a beauty of LinkedIn article publishing domain. Afterwards you can say next. If you want add some hashtag or not, you just simply use hashtag Golang and publish, and boom, the article publish on your home page. We can see the article publish on my home page or not. Yes, the article publish on my home page. So this is a simple process to publish article on LinkedIn. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.